You know, I bet you this is a common sight in your house. I know it is in mine. It's amazing how many devices that we have that use a USB port to charge. But did you know that all different devices have their own specific power requirement to charge effectively and efficiently? So that can be a problem if you're charging up your device if it doesn't get the right power, because it can damage your battery over time. Well, Leviton has come out with an outlet that will help eliminate that. There are outlets out there that have USB ports built into them, but what separates this one is it's got the smart chip technology. Now, what that chip will do is when you plug your USB into here and it plugs into your device, it automatically recognizes that device and optimally starts to charge that device so it doesn't overcharge it and damage the battery over time. And it'll do it every time. So if you have a problem or you're not quite sure, this little receptacle will eliminate all guesswork and charge those devices properly every time.